Hi all, welcome to Tech News. My name is Gautam. Today I am going to review and unbox an amazing product from AMD Ryzen 7. Finally guys, it's in my hand. Let's unbox together. Let's see what's on this box. Wow, CPU here only. See it? Ryzen 7. Yeah, finally I got it. This one is Ryzen 7. Model number is 2700. 2700 model number. And you see, nice box. Ryzen, colorful, AMD, and what they wrote here, name of the manufacturer, AMD, and country of origin from China, name of the product CPU, and model number 2700, net quantity 1, and manufactured June 2019, and maximum retail price is 41,000. They wrote it here. And guys, but you can get from online, Amazon and Flipkart, very less price. I brought it for very less price from Amazon. Nice product, but it's an old processor, 2018 one, but I want to use this product. I need to edit and streaming. I need to do all these things. For that reason only I brought this Ryzen 7 2700. See, let's unbox this one. Yes, we need to open this one. See guys, let's do it. We got manual here. Manual. First one is manual. Let's see. Oh, yeah. After that, remove this one. Wow. See guys, this one is Ryzen 2700. 8 cores and 16 thread processor guys. Amazing product. 8 cores, 16 thread processor, and 4.1 GHz speed, max boost 3.2 GHz base frequency is 3.2 GHz, and you can boost this frequency 4.1 GHz. If you want to use this product, we need discrete graphics card. We need to buy graphics card separately. This is not GPU. See, and they have given this another inbuilt fan. Yeah, they have given this fan also. Fan AMD. Big heat sink also, and thermal paste comes with thermal paste also. See guys, fan and processor, CPU processor, Amazon Ryzen 700 processor. They have given another. This fan is RGB fan. So for RGB you need to use this cable. And, this one is fan, I think fan cable. This one is fan cable. This one is RGB cable, I think so. Let's see. Okay guys, this is all about AMD Ryzen 2700. amazing product guys. 8 cores, 16 threads. Amazing. You can work like a beast. So we'll come with an amazing products here. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. If you want to buy from online only you will get for less price. Ryzen 7 8 cores and 16 threads guys. Amazing product. Buy it.